To each of these
Boxes.
boxes has some eggs in it.
Very good. Each of these boxes has some eggs in it. B. Okay, number 3.
Mm, Did you have a cup of tea just now?
Didn't you? You apa? Saya tengok atas.
Have.
Have. So B. Didn't you have a cup of tea just now? Number 4.
I don't have any money to buy food.
Very good. I don't have any money to buy food. Number 5.
Mm,
Okay,
Has
kalau
the children
children. Kalau children, ramai. Plural
has
noun.
has
Betul, PN.
have
Jadi have ni C. Haven't. Haven't the children taken the books? Haven't tu maksudnya have not. Dia pendekkan je. Have not the children taken the books? Okay.